Welcome, mobile traders. This is Mobile Stocks, the platform that teaches and promotes people for full-time lives how to part-time trade in the stock market. I'm your instructor, Bradley LC. And for today's talking point, I want to talk about my progress in Facebook today. I was talking about starting a RobinHood challenge, but I kind of thought about it. I don't want to do that right now because I'm new to this whole YouTube situation. And I want you guys to feel comfortable with me as a trader first. Anybody can tell you anything, but I want to show results. So today I started out with $143.15. In the middle of the day, that turned to $300.46.09, 346.09. And I want to show you guys how I actually did that with Facebook, what I saw, what made me buy, why did I sell my SPY, why did I sell my DraftKings? So as always, tell a friend to tell a friend, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. Welcome over traders. I'm Bradley LC. I want to hop straight into this video. Show you guys how my progress was today, my RobinHood challenge to myself, showing results. Clicking my RobinHood right fast. So we see that I started out at $143.15. At the height of my day, I had gotten to $346.09, but I didn't sell. I have one Facebook call option that I bought out of the money. I bought that for 78 cents, and it is a 282 call right here, 282.50 call. And let me show you, like I said, I bought it for 78 cents. Right now, currently I am at, I'm 141% up. And let me go to my Webull to show you exactly what I was looking at. So if I go into my Webull, I go into my minute chart. Show you guys when I made this purchase of this call option, it was in this time frame right here around 10:50, 10 something, close to 11 o'clock. This is my 1 minute time frame. I, was observing, and I seen that it kept on knocking at this resistant door. It kept knocking on the door. And around that time, I also noticed too, news came out. It was news talking about a price upgrade with them. And I was like, I wonder how the market is going to react. Because sometimes the market reacts in the positive, sometimes in the negative. You never know. So looking at that, plus looking at how SPY was going and a lot of other companies top companies that's in the SP 500, it was very bullish. So I was like, I think it's going to react in a very bullish way. The high today at the time was about 272.28. And I said, well, the low today, you see, was 267. But I saw, a lot of candle wicks going down. So I said, I don't think it's going down. I think it's eventually going to break this resistance. So let me place my bet in, which I did. I placed my bet in. And as you can see, if I zoom out, pan out, it rose up. It rose up. And right now it's consolidating. It consolidating after hours. And my prediction is tomorrow that it goes up. If not even tomorrow, the next few days it goes up and it retests this $280.18. And see how, if both buyers and sellers have to agree in price. That's what happens with price action. When you see a bunch of price rejections, candle wicks, sometimes it's buyers saying, okay, I don't want it to go this level. Sometimes the sellers saying, okay, we don't want it to go this level. So both buyers and sellers have to agree on it. If I come out, go into my daily, right, you can see that it's a gap. Eventually, it will come back down to fill its gap. But if it's enough bullish buying in it, it will show continuation and going up. You can see right now, like the average volume for Facebook is about 23 million. According to Webull, this is still a 3-month where they take the average. So volume at the end of the day was at 31 million. So it's it was there. It passed the average volume, but it still wasn't a lot of volume, but it was decent volume, and that's what I look for. And if I also show you this, my Fibonacci sequence, one of my technical tools that I use, Facebook is at my 50%. You can see right here that line, 50% line, and it's right on there. Like that's the support for it. Between my 50% and my 38. Between my 38, my 50, and my 60, 61, these are the three that I look for as far as a retracement, where I want to hop back into it. That's just my personal thing that I'd like to do. And if I pan out and I show you my EMA lines, which are these lines right here, and if you look at the top, you see EMA. You see EMA 10, EMA 20, EMA 50, EMA 100, EMA 200. These are the EMA lines that I set for myself that I use. You can see that price is above all of my EMA lines, which is a very bullish sign. Even if you pan out and I go to my hourly frames, I like to use 4 hours, 2 hours, an hour, and 30 minutes. So let's go to the 4 hours right quick. You can see at a 4 hours, and my retracement is at 38%, you know, and it's showing support around this area, which is a good thing for me because I didn't sell today. I want to see if it will continue to have continuation throughout the week before I sell it. Let's go to my 2 hour. Same thing. You can see it start to, in the 2 hour, actually come down. Start to reject price right here. Start to reject price right there. So that kind of let me know it might start to consolidate. I go into my 1 hour. Okay. Now you see consolidation. You see that it bounced off of my, let me blow this up. You see it bounced off of my 10 EMA right here. Went up, come down. That's consolidation right here. So it's forming a bullish flag look like. Do my 30 minutes. You see more consolidation. Right here at my 30. More consolidation, which makes me feel more that it will go up rather than down to test that high of 280.18 And just real quick, just look at the weekly chart for Facebook. That's a good looking weekly chart. You can see right here, it's bouncing off of the 10 EMA and the 20 EMA. And it's on the up and up. You can see volume picking in real high. Well, not real high, but it's volume starting to pick up. It's starting to look green. And you can see that it may actually eventually test this 304.52, which we won't be in. I'm not going to be in that long. That'll be something that I'll probably hop out once I make a profit and then hop back in. But that's just a quick look at my Facebook, why I got into it, and how I'm up right now on it. Like I said, just a quick recap. I started out with $143.15 at the height of my day. It was at 346.09, and right now it just balanced out to 189.09. I held it because I think it's going to show continuation. I think more implied volatility will kick in. That's when I sell. I could be wrong. Even if I'm wrong, I'm still currently right now, I'm still up. Started out with 78 bucks at 110. I'm up 141%. So even if I'm wrong, I can cut costs, hop into another trade, but I won't be putting no more money in there. I just want to see what I can do with the money that's already in there. So I'll let you guys, tune in. Every time that I post a video, I'll make sure that I, do my best to update you guys and explain better what I'm doing and what I'm trying to do. And I want you to see the vision, how I'm saying the vision. I want to show results. So stay tuned for the next video and let me know what you think of this one.